Diploma in Baking Technology. The Diploma in Baking Technology combines traditional baking principles with cutting-edge technology. Learners shall master advanced baking techniques, apply technology for food safety, optimize F&B operations, and integrate innovation into pastry, cake, and bread making. Emphasis is on technology-driven quality control, e-commerce, and an entrepreneurial mindset, preparing graduates for a tech-savvy career in baking and entrepreneurship. Practical application during internships ensures readiness for the dynamic baking industry. Course components full-time. Institutional studies, 6 months. Industrial attachment, 6 months. The industrial attachment is subject to the approval and issuance of a training work permit by the Ministry of Manpower, Singapore. Course modules include 1. Baking principles and techniques. This module allows the students to master fundamental baking techniques, understanding the science behind ingredients, and mastering a variety of techniques crucial for creating a wide range of baked goods. 2. Food safety and quality control. This module aims to equip students with the essential knowledge and insights required to implement proper food handling practices in kitchen environment and uphold consistent quality standards of baked goods by employing effective quality control measures through the utilization of various technologies, including automated equipment, blast freezing, and packaging and sealing technology, to maintain product quality and ensure the production of high-quality uncontaminated baked products. 3. F&B operations and menu design. This module equips students with insights into the broader food and beverage industry, allowing them to delve into the operational intricacies and understand the dynamic interplay among various elements within a professional kitchen. Additionally, students will also cultivate proficiency in menu design and planning. 4. Pastry and dessert making. This module allows students to explore the artistry of pastry making, from classic French pastries to modern desserts, mastering techniques that will enable them to develop exceptional dessert creations that showcase creativity and skills. 5. Cake making. This module aims to allow students to delve into the world of cakes, from basic sponge cakes to elaborate celebration cakes, and develop students' proficiency in their cake-making skills and learn the nuances of cake decoration and design. 6. Bread making. This module aims to develop students' proficiency creating a variety of bread, from artisanal loaves to specialty bread, understand fermentation processes and mastering dough handling techniques. 7. Retail operations. This module aims to equip students with the necessary knowledge, skills, and techniques to proficiently manage essential retail operations in both physical and online stores, encompassing subjects like inventory management, pricing strategies, customer management, visual merchandising, and the utilization of IT application tools. 8. E-commerce and online business. This module equips students with understanding the role of e-commerce in the industry. Students will learn how to leverage websites and social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram for purchasing and selling products. 9. Entrepreneurship. This module aims to equip students with entrepreneurial skills essential for starting and managing a successful bakery business. Learn about business planning, marketing, and financial management. 10. Project. Participation in an industrial attachment is mandatory and forms an essential component of the course. In the event that a student is unable to secure a suitable internship due to circumstances beyond the college's control, the alternative requirement will be the completion of a project work. Course structure. Mode of delivery. Face-to-face. Teacher-to-student ratio. 1:45. Assessment method. Students will be assessed by project and assignments. Graduation criteria. Students who have successfully completed the course by passing every module will be awarded the Diploma in Baking Technology by ASTEC College. Entry requirements: international. Minimum age: at least 16 years of age. Academic qualification: completed 10 years of formal education, or mature candidates aged 30 years old and above with minimum 8 years working experience. English proficiency. Pass an English language in Year 10 or pass a STEC English placement test. Entry requirements local. Minimum age. At least 16 years of age. Academic qualification. 3 GCE O-level credits or equivalent qualifications may be recognized on a case-to-case basis. All mature candidates aged 30 years old and above with minimum 8 years working experience. English proficiency. C 6th grade in GCE O-level or pass a STEC English test. Attendance requirement. Students must attend at least 75% of the scheduled classes to be eligible for assessment. International students with a valid student's pass must maintain a 90% monthly class attendance. Continuous absence for 7 days or falling below the 90% threshold without valid reason will lead to student's pass cancellation. Course fees, 6,540 Singapore dollars. Application fee of 109 Singapore dollars is payable to Asatec College Pte. Ltd., which is non-refundable under all circumstances. All fees stated are inclusive of 9% GST. Join us at ASTEC, where we are dedicated to equipping you with the skills and knowledge necessary to thrive in the comm landscape of today's industries. Welcome you to seek whatever information and clarifications you need for your review to register with us. Thank you.